How to use Cyberdojo for learning algorithms. Cyberdojo is a great platform to practice algorithms step by step. First, open the Exercises tab and select exercises labeled for algorithm practice. Read the instructions. Plan your solution in the editor panel. Then implement and run your code using run test. Repeat the process, increasing difficulty gradually. Focus on common patterns like sorting, searching, and recursion. Use print statements to trace your logic while learning. Which algorithm do you find most challenging? Share about it in the comments below. And that's how you can use Cyberdojo for learning algorithms. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.